2023 marks an exciting year in gaming, driven by innovation and immersive experiences that captivate players worldwide. Join us as we explore XS Games, a rising star, through the insightful journey of its creator, Frank Eno. Frank's journey began amid the chaos of the COVID-19 pandemic, where he delved into game development with passion. After creating an escape room trilogy, he realized it wasn't the vision he sought and transitioned to Mystery Box. The first chapter of Mystery Box launched to unexpected success, leading him to rebrand from Skoda to XS Games. Operating as a solo developer presents unique challenges, especially when managing marketing and product development independently. Building a strong online presence on Twitter and Facebook took time, but Frank now enjoys a thriving community of fans. Achieving 260,000 installations in just 2 years is a remarkable feat, eclipsing competitors with far longer experiences. For Frank, the essence of success lies in hard work, consistency, and creating games that he truly enjoys. Looking ahead, Frank aims to expand the Mystery Box series while staying attuned to his players' valuable feedback.